Hey guys, so we have another mushroom tapestry. So I know you're probably wondering why so early. We have another customer order for one, but this one's a little different. So this one has a mandala, 2 mandalas actually, on the sides of it. So that's why it looks so funny. But lots of pretty colors. Rainbow pretty much again. Different. So I'm gonna get the sinew off and we'll get it open. Alrighty, I'm ready. So here we go. We have mushroom number 2 with mandalas. That is gorgeous. That's even better than my first one, I think. All right, so another awesome mushroom. Hopefully she likes this one. So if you have to look for anything for holidays or whatever, I know we got a while, but birthdays, whatever, or for yourself, my website is www.riahstieDye.com. And if there's nothing on there that you like or it's not in your size, just contact me on the Contact Us page. It will email me directly, and I will get in touch with you about whatever you want. Sizes, designs, whatever you want. We'll talk about it. So, thank you so much for watching. Happy tie-dyeing.